Dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to exemplify aliveness once again. It's not only to fill our tummies, but to exert life force in a world where the headlines that I read in the Wall Street Journal every day are telling me about bank failures, about layoffs of thousands and tens of thousands in the high-tech industry. And of course, most tragically of all, of the approach of war. This is sad and this is tragic, so we have to make ourselves as alive as we possibly can. We've got to get our health together. We've got to exemplify aliveness. It's our duty, it is our responsibility. So let's begin, as we've begun with so many recipes, let's begin with making our own almond milk right here in front of us. So we're going to start with 2 cups of spring water. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 heaping tablespoons of our alive organic almond butter. This is grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. They own 500 acres, and if you can imagine, 70,000 trees. They produce over 1 million pounds of almonds each year. Wonderful, magnificent people. And between you and me, intentionality helps. Intentionality, it's not just the physicality, but the intentionality that goes into your almonds and into your almond butter that makes every difference in this world. So here we have our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter, the pillar of our business, and we're going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of almond butter. There we go. And we're going to give that a blend. And there you have it. Almond milk. A lot fresher than anything that you can buy on a store shelf. Some of it may have been there since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So, we've got our almond milk, and to the almond milk we're going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Please add chia seeds to everything you eat. They are a wonderful food of Native Americans, and they're so good for you. So we're going to be using the chia seeds to coalesce things. Chia seeds have that property of coalescing preparations. They're wonderful in salad dressing, for example. Okay, so we have our almond milk, and we're going to set it aside. Okay. And now we're going to be making the crust. And for the crust, we're going to be using a combination of our alive organic almonds, grown in California's Great Central Valley. The almond is the second most important agricultural crop here in California. California produces something like 80 to 85% of the world's almonds, more than all the countries combined in the Mediterranean basin, even though the almond originated there. Growing conditions in the Great Central Valley, which has a Mediterranean climate, by the way, are almost ideal for almonds. The almond, as you know, blossoms before any other fruit. The almond blossoms first. So we're going to add let's say half a cup of almonds and some walnuts. And this is the most ordinary kitchen blender, but it's all you need. Okay, so we have our almonds and our walnuts. And then we're going to be adding some almond milk. Okay. And then a pinch of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Okay. And a splash of our vanilla powder. So let's give this a blend. Okay. So we have our crust, and we're going to add the crust to a pie dish lined with parchment paper. Okay. Okay. So we have our crust, and now we're going to put this in the freezer to set while we're making the filling. So now, as regards the filling, nearly all of the recipes on YouTube for vegan vegetarian cheesecakes are asking you to soak cashews overnight. Why bother? Why bother when you can simply use our Living Tree cashew butter and thereby save a step? So here we have our cashew butter made right here in Berkeley, California, home of the University of California at Berkeley, where there are more Nobel Prize winners here than at any other institution. What that means as far as cashew butter, I don't know, but we're saying it anyway. So here we have our cashew butter, and we're going to do a cup of cashew butter. Okay, cup of cashew butter. And now we're going to add a cup of mango. These are organic mangoes from Mexico. So we're going to do this. Here we go. Okay, and now we're going to slice it up into small little squares. It makes it very, very easy to extract. Here we go. And we're going to take the squares out. Here we go. We're so blessed here. Here, it's midwinter, and one can go into any natural food store here in California and buy several different varieties of organically grown mangoes. A small wonder indeed. So we have a mango, and now we're going to add an avocado. Who has ever heard of a mango avocado cheesecake? But why not? Why not? So here we go. Okay. Now we're going to add some native forest honey. Let's give it a heaping tablespoon. And some of our Vermont maple syrup, or organic, of course. This we should be doing to taste. And then two heaping tablespoons of living tree coconut oil. Coconut oil is going to help it coalesce and set. And now, how about the juice of a lemon to bring out that cheesecake flavor? Okay. Okay. And now let's add at least two tablespoons of almond milk to assist with the blending. Good, that's blended up magnificently. So, you recall that when we started out by putting the crust in our fridge, let's go get that and complete our avocado mango cheesecake. So now our crust has set in the freezer while we were gabbing away. And now here we're adding the filling So here I'm going to put this in the freezer and let it set for a couple hours, and we have it. Imagine an alive, organic avocado mango cheesecake. We have one that we've prepared earlier today. Let's give this a slice and see what we've got here. So there we have it. Imagine inviting your friends over. They would be amazed and filled with wonder and awe. Let us agree. So let us go forward. We've got to exemplify life and aliveness, especially in these times. It is my privilege, brothers and sisters, to share with you. Please write your comments down below. Your suggestions are invaluable to us. Let us go forward. My privilege to share with you.